Y'all see that Tacoma back there? Right there? Well, right there. Y'all pray for that man driving that Tacoma. Ain't nothing wrong with him, but he's just running rock stars. Look, it's still dirty as hell. Oh, this red Georgia clay is gonna be a pain in the ass to clean. Ugh. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Probably from the title you guys are thinking, what the hell is he talking about? Well, instead of spending about $400 towards the truck, I could not stop myself from buying this. The Apple the freaking HomePods. Yes, I could not help myself from buying the HomePods because, you know, I've needed speakers for the longest time. I don't have any speakers at home. You know, I was looking at like Sonos or like Amazon Alexa or whatever, you know, those other speakers. But after seeing how the HomePod works, I just couldn't like not buy it. Yes, it's like a $400 setback. Yes, it's $400 that I could have spent on this Duramax. I just had other needs that I wanted to fill before spending money on this Duramax. You know, this really isn't going to be, I'm not going to be really talking about my truck today. I want to show you guys how the HomePod works. So if you want to stick around, you're more than welcome to. If not, you're more than welcome to turn it off right now. Also, the snowboarding trip is about 2 weeks away. So if you guys are from Ashburn, Fairfax area, or like from Maryland, make sure to, you know, leave a comment below or send me a DM or whatever. Try to find the way to contact me and we'll try to meet up. I think I'm planning on meeting with Saturated LBZ, so that should be a fun video. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Chris French. He owns Chevy Off-Roading, and I mean, it's not really a shout out. I just want to give him a recognition because you know, he's starting a YouTube channel. He just hit over 2,000 subscribers, and he just revealed his rendering video for his Duramax, and it looks very, very good. Of course, he's going to be rocking the McGaughy's lift kit, because best lift kit out there, no doubt. You know, if I know a lot of you guys message me and ask me, hey, which lift kit should I go with? And I always tell people McGaughy's, because yeah, not being biased or anything, but all right, maybe a little bit biased, but I mean, honestly, for the money and the quality, you can't beat McGaughy's lift kit, and their customer service is great. You know, I've had no problems with my McGaughy's kit, and John absolutely loves his. That ride quality on his, even though it's maxed out at 9 inches, we are talking about the lift, it's maxed out at 9 inches, and it still rides better than the rough country leveling kit that he had. And you know, the way, I mean, we did a test, we did the railroad test, so we just go over a railroad, and before, when it was on the leveling kit, the truck shook like it was you know, there was an earthquake or something. But with the McGaughy's, you can't even tell that you're going over a freaking railroad. And we may eventually upgrade the shocks to something else, not sure what, but you know, it rides perfectly fine the way it is right now. So huge shout out to McGaughy's, as well as Chris French. Make sure to subscribe to his channel, follow his Instagram as well. But I mean, his truck's gonna look great, and hopefully we can do a collaboration one day. What do you guys think? You first? Whoop, whoop. There you go. Gotta protect the people that you love, or things that you love. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this truck parts. Boost Auto Parts. Check this out. Shout out to Boost Auto Parts for this koozie. I will use it when I drink my Bud Light. Bud Light. Bud Light. Just like that. Bud Light. Alright, let's continue this unboxing. Hey, there's one more. So I guess I'll give this one to John so he can use it for his Bud Light. So this is the wiring kit. And you may be wondering what that kit is for. Alright, so here is their business card. Wow, this lens sucks. Alright, there you go. Boost Auto Parts. Make sure to check them out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, Instagram, whatever. Alright. Not sure what's in this box. I think it might be empty. Oh no, it's not empty. It's got decals. Oh yeah, that's right. Decals. Alright, what do you guys think? Where should I put my decal? Alright, so what I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to pick which decal should go on my Duramax and let me know where. And I'll put it there. And make sure to go through the comments and try to upvote the one that you agree with. Alright, so if you don't know what this is a little mod for my tow mirrors. And what this wiring kit is going to do is this only stays on, or this only blinks, or this light only works whenever I'm turning, or it's only wired to my turning lights. What this is going to achieve is it's going to make it where it stays on all the time. So it's kind of like the newer Duramaxes or newer trucks that have tow mirrors. These are wired to, I do believe they're, these are wired to like their daytime running lights, so they're on all the time on the newer trucks. And this is going to make my Duramax do the same thing. And what I'm also going to do is I'm finally going to wire the reverse lights. And if you don't know how to do that, make sure to check out Bertrand 850. He did an in-depth tutorial video, and I'll probably be watching it again just to refresh my memory. Once again, shout out to Boost Auto Parts for sending me the decals, because I don't know how they knew, but I love decals, as well as this kit. It's like, it's the little things that count. It's definitely gonna make my truck stand out a little bit more, and it honestly it's gonna be awesome. Enough with the truck updates. Let's get back to my toy that I bought, the freaking HomePods. I'm gonna do an unboxing video and I'll show you guys what it can do, because why not? And if you don't want, if you don't care about HomePods, you can stop this video right now, but make sure to give it a thumbs up. Now that is how you get a YouTube thumbnail. Alright, so let's get this unboxing started. Oh. This is it. Yeah, unboxing the HomePods is probably super random on this truck channel, but yep, this is it. Some stickers, I think, or instructions, whatever. Don't need that, don't need that. Let's go ahead and plug it up. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to set it up, or I don't even know how to set it up. Let's see. I probably should read the instructions, but I don't like to read instructions. Oh. Wow, that's pretty sick. What to do, what to do, I don't know what to do. Do something. Hey Siri. Oh, wow. I just activated my Siri that was all the way across the room. Oh yeah. Simple. No, I'm not updating my phone. Oh. So apparently you gotta update your iPhone to the latest software, which is 11.2.5. Alrighty, my phone's been updated, and if you bring your phone near the HomePod, you will see, this pop up on your iPhone, and you just hit set up. Alright, so the coolest thing about the HomePods is, focus. So the coolest thing about the HomePods is that everything is controlled by Siri, and you can say, "Hey Siri," and it'll listen. So it just listen.
Okay, you don't then.
See, I could say, "Hey Siri, play 21 Savage."
Okay, here's some 21 Savage, picked just for you.
And then check this out. "Hey Siri, turn the volume all the way up."
That's very loud. Are you sure?
Yes. I mean, it's all the way over there. You guys see it?
Just a moment.
It's right over there. Hey Siri, play Migos. Walk it, talk it.
I couldn't find Migos Walk It Talk It on Apple Music.
Well, because I messed up. Hey Siri, play Migos Walk It Talk It.
Now playing Walk It Talk It, featuring Drake by Migos.
Yeah, that's right. Alright y'all, well that is it for today's video. I know today's video was very different, but
Whoa, hold on.
I am the one! Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.